Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So this video is all about how we can change the background color in SmartPlant 3D. It's very easy friends. For that you have to go to tools and go to the option. After going to the option, here are the various icon you see. We have to go to the colors and here you can find the background. We have to change whatever you want to change color. It's a default. We can change like this. I will change to yellow and apply. As you see, the color change successfully, but that color is very dark, so we can change by this. Okay, that's good. So in this way you can change the background color in SmartPlant 3D very easily. I hope you like this video, and for such more upcoming and already uploaded video, you can check my channel and please subscribe. Thank you guys.